Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the MBK Slayback here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like this video down below and to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, because I'm gonna keep bringing you this kind of stuff. Look at this. This guy comes with a nice pouch. It's soft. You have the belt kind of loops going on. It's nylon. There's a microfiber cloth and a couple of pouches on the inside, and here you've got your slayback, which is an interesting knife. Overall in length is going to be 6.75 inches or 17.3 centimeters with a 7 centimeter long inch blade. Long blade, not inches, and in inches is going to be 2.75 with a handle of roughly 4 inches, which are equivalent to 10 centimeters. This is an interesting knife designed by Ray Laconico, right over here, produced by Monterey Bay Knives. Carbon fiber, nice raindrop carbon fiber set of scales. This is a dual detent non-lock-in slip joint. There's no lock. You have one detent here and one detent here, and that's it. You can just pinch it to get it open. You can take advantage of the flipper tab, and sometimes I'm just gonna reach out here to disengage the lock, but there's no lock in this one, so just keep this in mind. It's a nice knife. It's very small. It's very light. Let's actually check out the weight right away, because yeah, this is gonna feel pretty good in the pocket. Let me see. Overall weight on this guy is going to be 2.58 ounces. So yeah, not too shabby at all. I mean, that's a pretty good one. On the weight, I like really very much this shimmering raindrop carbon fiber. Very simple construction. You've got pivot and a couple of handle screws, a couple of stainless steel standoffs, titanium 3D milled pocket clip tip up carry only, not reversible. Nice window cut out over here. This is an M390 steel blade with a flat grind, long wedge, straight edge, flat grind, nice satin belt lines. It's an interesting one. I mean, the handle to blade ratio is not ideal, you see right over here, but it's an interesting knife, nice and little and light. There is no, there's just like one liner over here, but it's a full length liner. You don't see it probably, maybe like from this side. You see it's like getting to the end of the scale, and even maybe you can see, yeah, right there. So it's not just like a little set, it's like a full set of liners underneath this little guy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.